Hey there, Ryan.
Hey Austin, how's it going?
Not too bad. We have a beautiful assortment of PACKOUT here today.
We absolutely do.
What do you say we get them packed out?
Let's get to work.
That's it. How do you want to assort them?
I think we have some fun and
I don't know if I really like this, Ryan.
well, we can always readjust.
You know what? That is a fantastic benefit of the PACKOUT system there. Fully customizable, right? Another key benefit of our PACKOUT system here is that it is impact resistant and it has an IP65 rating. That means Milwaukee will cover your assets on the job site, no matter what the condition is, from dirt and water.
Not only that, it comes with customizable all-metal frames to protect against drops, bumps in the truck, and on the job site to protect your investment. And it also has a hole so you can lock it to secure it to prevent from theft as well.